country of 50 states covers a swath of North America, with Hawaii extending the nation's presence in the Pacific Ocean and Alaska in the northwest. America's flag consists of 13 stripes and 50 stars. It consists of three colors, which are white, blue, and red. The 13 stripes represent the original 13 colonies, and the 50 stars represent the 50 states of the Union. The white represents peace, the red represents valor, and the blue represents perseverance. America's current population is 331.9 million people. America's current president is President Joe Biden. America's dialing code is +1. America's government is Federation, a federal republic. There's so many tourist sites in America, and they are the Statue of Liberty, Disneyland, NASA, and Grand Canyon. America gained her independence in 1776 and is currently 247 years old. America also has some very special presidents. Number one is George Washington, who was the first president of America, but never lived in the White House. Number two is Abraham Lincoln, who died by being shot in a theater by an actor. Number three